Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage. Okay, in this next video I will show you how to remove some suspension bolts. I will disconnect the lower and upper link from the hub carrier, and there's one crucial thing on the drive shafts. As you may know that there is pins, a 3.5mm pin and 6mm pin that locks down the drive shafts. So I made a few mistakes so I didn't have any energy left to shoot the teardown process of the pins, so I shoot the mistake parts. In this video I will show you how not to do it, so please use the right punch if you are taking the pins out of the drive shaft. That's the most important thing. And what else? There is a parking cable disconnect also in this video, and some other stuff. Enjoy the video. Okay, let's finish this another side. So this is the left side, and I need a 19mm socket and 17mm socket. So I have already loosened these bolts. So I need to take this and this one, shock absorbers, that's the second one, and I need the 17. So there is two 17mm nuts and bolts, and two 1, 2, 3 19mm bolts. If I think I will take this upper link bolt. This is how you unhook the brake, handbrake line. So the hub carrier, I will unscrew these two bolts. Put the bolts back on.
As you can see, the punch is stuck on the driveshaft pinhole.
Give thumbs up, subscribe. Remember that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.
You can do everything that you want. You can do